Hi, and welcome to the Link 7 blended learning class, Tuesday, Thursdays. This is just a short orientation to our website, and for some of you who are continuing, this might be a review, but there also might be some useful information. So every week when you log in to Edulink and you go to our class page, make sure that you routinely check the upcoming or latest announcements, which also get emailed to you, but they're here in this block, so you can click on them. Right now there are none. I will be adding one, but that's somewhere to look each time. The news forum here is somewhere that you can regularly go to, and you can, or sorry, here, the general discussion forum is, it's a discussion page for students to write in any questions they might have about the course, about what we're studying, or general discussion questions. This is a place for you to do that. So also each week, these are called blocks. Each week they'll be updated and changed. Right now, I haven't added a dictionary, but I will be adding an online dictionary that I like to use here. Sometimes I have idioms. The news is here. I will add podcasts, which are listening. Sometimes I add pronunciation videos. But that's something to check, not only to check the assignments, which are here, but actually I should go to the student view. Sorry, let me just go to the student view. This is your view. These are all the assignments for the week. So this week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, we'll be breaking them up for 2 days. So it will be clear what is for Tuesday and what assignments are for Thursday. For now, this is all for Thursday. And if there's anything left over, for Tuesday, it will be, I will allow you until Thursday to complete it. But generally, the date for the, actually I don't have the dates here. Usually I have the dates here for when the activities are due to be completed by. So this week, let's just quickly go over this week. Introductions. I'm just going to go over, you'll see whenever there is a green bubble, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 green bubbles this week. Those are all discussion bubbles or discussion forums meant for you to participate. So each week you need to, whenever you see the green, make sure you add your contribution. They are part of the course and they will be considered in your overall assessment to go whether or not you can go to the next level. So they will be considered as part of your speaking and writing contributions. So when you click on it, basically, this is the introductions. This is where I asked you to introduce yourself and talk about your goals and a little bit about yourself and your job. And you would do that by clicking Add New Discussion Topic. You'll have a subject, and then you're going to write your answer here. And then don't forget to click Post to Forum. I know this is a review, but some people are new and they may not have used a site like this before. My contact information, skill building. This is a reading with some vocabulary, and I've just you can just take notes in a notebook. You should have a notebook for vocabulary that you're learning. The next is another discussion on Canadian New Year's traditions. We are going to be focusing on writing. We'll have a writing assessment. And so I'm going to be teaching paragraph structure. And some of you already may know paragraph structure, but we'll be reviewing some of the elements of a good paragraph, and you'll see here I've said, can you improve this paragraph? The grammar, sorry, go back. The grammar we are looking at this week is complex sentences, and what's the difference between simple and complex sentences, and how can we make our writing more interesting? So I've asked you to look at this rather boring paragraph and use some of the subordinating conjunctions to make it more interesting. Again, you just click on the add new discussion topic, and you can write your paragraph right in the discussion, on the discussion page. The listening practice is mainly for pleasure, listening for pleasure, listening to Canadians talk about various New Year's traditions, getting you accustomed to listening to the radio. I've suggested listening 15 minutes each day. And the last thing is just the Quizlet, which I use quite a lot. But this one is a matching game. So match the definition to the idiom. But just, if you look here, choose a study mode and you click on it. There are different ways to study the new vocabulary. So practice each different mode because they're all different. And that's it. One more thing you can practice is at the top, you can go to messages. If you click on your name at the top and you go to messages, this is where you can send messages to other students or myself. So if you click in my name, search people, and you'll see all the messages come up. And you can just click on my picture. Actually, no, that's not correct. You can click on any message, actually, you can click on, I believe. That's not working. Just click on the actual message. And you can, basically, it'll come up, and like if I'm sorry, I'm going to search a student. Like if I search Nora Lynn, for example, if I click on her. So if I click on her name, or if I click here, it looks like a little email. If I click there, then I go down, I can write a message. Okay, everybody should practice that, sending a message. So you could send me a message, or you could send another classmate a message. Click on their name or click on this little icon. Okay, so that's it for this week. If you have any questions, you can always email me, and you can get my information here. Thanks everyone, and see you on Tuesday.